What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, so it turns out that Simon from ARK Invest has in a way admitted today that he was wrong about BNGO. I'm sure you all remember that Simon dismissed BNGO's Sapphire product as something that would only be used in a very limited setting. He basically mentioned that Sapphire would not be used in population genomics and therefore was not a threat to PacBio or other genome sequencing companies. However, PacBio, which is highly regarded by ARK Invest today, announced that they would be acquiring another gene sequencing company called Omniome. Simon posted this article that he wrote today on his Twitter account. PacBio doubles down on accuracy by acquiring Omniome. This is a 10-page article, so I won't go into this in too much detail, but I want to read this one important paragraph here, which should shed some light as to why PacBio felt the need to acquire this company and how this reflects on BNGO. Finally, from a commercial strategy point of view, having access to highly accurate short-read sequencing puts PacBio in a unique position. The company can participate in many high-growth research, translational, and clinical NGS applications, not currently amenable to long-read sequencing such as liquid biopsy, NIPT, single-cell spatial readout, proteomics readout, RNA transcript counting, and targeted oncology panels. So let's unpack this a little here. Over here, he's talking about high-growth research and clinical NGS next-generation sequencing applications such as NIPT, which is of course short for non-invasive prenatal testing. And we know already that BNGO has big plans for non-invasive prenatal testing. So PacBio basically got spooked in the sense that they also know that BNGO's Sapphire is actually better in this field than their LRS technology. Non-invasive prenatal screening tests are set to become a commonplace screening tool for pregnancies all over the world. Following a positive NIPT screen or for high-risk pregnancies with an abnormal ultrasound, OGM could bring to the table a high-throughput, in-depth and high-resolution follow-up genome analysis. Sapphire's ability to accurately detect sex chromosome anomalies, microdeletion and microduplication syndromes, and repeat expansion and contraction disorders were highlighted in a recent study. This addition of prenatal testing will add an extra revenue stream for BNGO, and PacBio also wants a piece of the pie. So this is one of the reasons why they decided to acquire Omniome, because this company can help PacBio achieve that. Anyways, moving on from here, Simon goes on to say the following. Based on this acquisition, I believe PacBio sees SBB addressing many somatic NGS applications. Meanwhile, HiFi LRS should continue to enable germline applications such as clinical whole genome sequencing, pharmacogenomic profiling, de novo genome assembly, RNA isoform analysis, and many others. He says, I absolutely do not view this transaction as a shift in PacBio's focus from LRS to short-read sequencing. Ironically, having short-read sequencing platforms to sell into the market today may galvanize the transition to long-read sequencing for the myriad of applications where we believe there is substantial benefit. Ultimately, this acquisition should help cement PacBio as a high-fidelity solutions provider for the ever-evolving field of molecular biology. So clearly Pacific Biosciences felt the need to up their game, and they hope to do this with this acquisition. Whatever the case may be, I still don't think that PacBio and BNGO are direct competitors. I just thought this was a bit of an interesting development, so I thought I'd let you all know about it. It's clear to see that BNGO is no longer just something that will only be used in certain niche situations. If it was, then PacBio wouldn't be acquiring another company that could help them do something that BNGO is also planning on doing. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video on BNGO. I'll see you in the next one.